Okay. It's Lily E. and Frankie's Toys. And today we are going to be doing a twin telepathy cookie baking challenge. And first up we have turtle, a starfish, and seahorse. Cookies. Yep. Now let's choose. Okay, let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who chooses first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No! And I choose this one. This one. Yes! I got a point! Good. Okay, now, frosting tools. Okay, let's set them out. Ew. Okay. This one. Choose. And this one. Okay, I'm choosing this one. It didn't make a metal sound. I made a big sound. Like this one. No! I get a point. 1-1. Now frostings. Frankie's is going to be in a container because I took my time to scoop mine in and she didn't have time. Okay, let's put them out. We each get to pick 2 frostings. Okay, Frankie, you get to pick this one. I choose no picking. I'm not. This one and this one. Yeah. Yes! I got a point. Okay, 2-1. Okay. And now we're going to pick our sprinkles. We have 2 here. We can only pick 1. Okay, pick yours. This one. Well, I want both. I don't know. This one. This one. But I thought this one would go good with white. Nope, I wanted this one. Okay, now, let's decorate. Okay, first, don't we have to decorate it the same way? No, but we can try to. But we don't. This turtle isn't coming out of the bag. My turtle lost its arms. Then glue it back on with your magic frosting. Let's see here. How do I put this back together? I have no idea how to put this back together. Let's see how we do it. Okay, I think I got it. Time to glue it. This one is so creamy. This is hard. I gotta squeeze a whole bunch out here. Stick that on there. See if my frosting glue works. No, stay. And then grab a whole bunch of frosting out here. Okay, it's just gonna be a broken cookie. I'm using my frosting to glue it back together. I tried using the frosting. Let's see. I'm trying right now. This knife wasn't a very good idea. I don't know. I'm not using the knife for the glue. I'm using my hands for the glue. Just hands. You're supposed to use the knife. No, I'm using my hands for the glue. I'm gluing stuff right now. With the glue. It's not actual glue. Frosting. Yum. Oh, got to break again. That goes like that. I'll just use my hands. I'm breaking it even more. No. Okay, now I have more stuff to do. Okay. There's that part. Let's see here. I need more of my magical glue. Okay, and then I'm gonna stick it on. Okay, let's just pretend it isn't broken. I think I got that. Stick it on there before it breaks again. I think I got that. Now I've got to put his turtle on back on. Last one. I wonder if our things even look similar. I don't think so. We have different sprinkles. a little bit similar. A little bit, yeah. Depends on how we're decorating it. This is not going according to my plan. I want this to look way different. What plan? I knew how I wanted mine to look, but it's not looking like I wanted it to, so. Need to stick stuff in there. Okay, I think I got that. That's done and over with. Time to frost it. I need this still. Huh. Sticky on. Sticky on. Oh, there's some shooting out the top. Well, not shooting, but I'm gonna take that. Okay, mine's done. What? I'm not even done. This is gonna take forever. Can I help you or can I not look? I'm just gonna stick my hand in here. I'm gonna have a taste test, so finish up. Finish! Okay, I am. One sec. I'm raking my hand in the bottom here. Oh. And then I'm gonna break a piece of my cookie and have a taste test. No, we have to do that at the end, not right now. I know. You finish. I am. Yeah. Okay, gotta move quick. You're yelling at me. In here. Okay. The other one. Mr. Turtle, what did you do? I can't see you. No. Did you eat it? No. His head just broke off. Oh, that's broke gingerbread. Oh. I'm gonna use some blue to stick his head back on. Seahorse. I made that. Stick this in there. You added sprinkles? Yeah, I added sprinkles. You tricking me? No. I have a feeling you are. Finish! I am! I'm literally almost done. Okay. That's so funny. And then we're gonna pull up the poster, right? We're gonna just knock it over when you finish. This is hard. It's so funny, doesn't it look weird? I can't open this. Open what? I'm good at luck. Here, open that. Oh. No looking. Come on, quick. Here, just use mine. Thank you. Go quick. No. Okay, now let's lift the wood because I can't get that out of here. I added pink frosting. I think you do yours. You cheated. You added pink frosting. Okay, now I'm trying to grab a piece and eat it. Taste test. Put our taste is to the test. Mmm.
Can you tell me where they're from?
These are from Allie's GF Goodies, homemade gluten-free goodness. They're so delicious.